Hi, Jam Jam.
Where did we put my battery charger?
Over there.
Over where? That's mine, not yours. You put yours in your bag.
Cameron, what are you doing? Are you trying to use your spoon? Cameron's 1 year and 1 week old. Can you do this? Cameron. 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 Make your cheesin'. Can you make cheesin'? Like this, Cameron.
Cameron. Can you do a cheesy poof smile? Cameron. That was a courtesy one. That was a courtesy one.
Are you trying to learn to use your spoon? Show me how you're doing it. It's pretty good. Can you use the right hand to help you? It's good work. Yum, yum. What are you doing?
Is that good?
Oh.
Nope, don't do that way.
Can you go toot toot?
No, do it this
You're
way.
gonna choke yourself.
Lord.
Use the other end.
Not that end.
You silly kid.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here you go.
This thinks that I'm gonna grab a piece of food. Good job. Oh.
Was that a sour piece? A little granola bar.
Cameron, what are you doing? Are you cheesing?
Are you cheesing for the film? She is your mom. Well, that's great.
Look at the hair now.
Is that good?
Okay, we'll see you later. Good job.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
You can wave. You can wave. You're just chilling.